Step into a piece of Charlotte's history where Victorian elegance meets modern living in this beautifully preserved Queen Anne home. Built in the late 1800s, this historic gem features original woodwork, intricate architecture, and beautifully preserved hardwood floors. The first floor offers expansive living spaces, including a formal dining room, a parlor, a cozy den, and a sunroom, perfect for every gathering or quiet moment. This home's inviting kitchen combines modern, energy-efficient appliances with the rustic elegance of custom Vermont oak cabinets and polished soapstone countertops. Casual dining or formal meals, the layout makes it easy to host or simply enjoy your morning coffee in the bright breakfast nook. Upstairs, the primary suite invites relaxation, while 3 additional bedrooms and a guest bath provide space for family and visitors. Whether it's a quiet morning on the screened porch or a lively evening by the pool and patio, this outdoor space is perfect for any occasion. The Carriage barn offers parking for 2 vehicles and additional storage, all designed for modern convenience while maintaining historic charm. Located on picturesque Greenbush Road, you're minutes from the Old Brick Store, Charlotte Library, and a short drive to Charlotte Beach, connecting you to the best of Vermont living. Experience a life where history, charm, and modern living harmonize in this exceptional Charlotte Village home. Schedule a tour today.